Okay, my client has some absolutely beautiful hair, but she can't manage it. It's the story of our life. Curly hair being unmanageable. So we decided to do the BioTanix treatment. All right, so after you shampoo with the purifying shampoo, you're going to apply the solution from scalp to ends, avoiding applying the product to the scalp. Always use gloves and always shake up your bottle before you put it on the hair. We're going to smooth the product into the hair and then comb it afterwards. As you're combing it through, you're going to notice that the hair is becoming extremely manageable. Why is that? It's because of the nanotechnology. One thing about this product is compatible with any other chemical service, whether it's color relaxer, it does not matter. It's just going to make the hair so much more healthier and manageable. So, anyone can use it, whether pregnant, breastfeeding women, children. It has super nutritive, developed with essential oils that nourish and strengthen the hair. BioTanix will not cause breakage or damage to the hair fibers. You must remember that this will not stop any mechanical or chemical breakage. If you have those problems, you want to take care of those problems before the treatment. BioTanix is an organic smoothing system, so we're focusing on smoothing the hair, cutting the fringe with a blend of organic amino acids. The formula, like I said, is compatible with any other system. It has proteinized silk, titanic acid, lactic acid, hydraulic acid, and the hydration system is basically increases the hydrogen bonds in the hair from 6 to 60%, which distables in the sulfide bonds of the hair and allowing the creation of a new hair shape through heat and traction. So, if you want your hair super straight, you're going to blow dry the hair and put your a flat iron up to 280. I'm sorry, 380, and add more passes. So, the more passes that you have, the straighter the hair will become. If you want to loosen the curl, and you want to keep your hair curly, you'll definitely do less passes. So if you want it super straight, you definitely want to do up to 10 to 13 passes. If you want to keep the curl, you can do from 6 to 10 passes. Watch your heat when it comes to the flat ironing with the ends of the hair. So you can start at 380 and the highest would be 410 on really coarse hair. So if you have someone with color or fine hair, make sure that your heat is low, 380 at the highest, less pressure, and watch out for those ends when it comes to your heat. The lactic acid reduces resistance of the keratin chain, facilitating a new form in the hair strand. The actual, after this process, we leave it on for 45 minutes to an hour, depending on if you have color, you leave it on 45 minutes. If the hair is has no color and it's coarse and unruly, you want to go ahead and leave it on for 60 minutes, up to an hour. This will help the solution penetrate in the hair better so you can get the best results. This treatment lasts anywhere between 3 to 6 months. There is a shampoo and conditioner that is recommended, and it has a little bit of the serum in it. So definitely make sure your clients take home the shampoo and the conditioner to maintain the treatment. It also has hyaluronic acids for anti aging, and it helps to preserve the integrity of the hair fiber. It maintains the hair strands, health with natural fibers and a shiny appearance. It has no formaldehyde, smoke free, it's odorless, hassle free, with no color fading. Definitely anyone can use the product, whether you're pregnant, breastfeeding, children need manageability too. So, with this treatment, overall, the BioTanix treatment is designed to improve the health and the appearance, leaving the hair soft and shiny and manageable and smooth and silky and damage free. Oh, he played on. So if you have happen to have damage from the summer, this would be a very good treatment to help add hydration and moisture to the hair. The sun really does damage the hair, and it really takes a toll over the 3 months of summer that we go through. So one thing about the ends, they're sealed. So you're able to retain the length that you need. And as you can see, it loosened her curl about 50% and made it shiny. Do you like the shine? The hair is so shiny and bouncy and manageable. Do you agree with this? Or is it just me? Am I seeing things? Nah. BioTanix is the #1 smoothing treatment in the world right now. If you haven't tried it, try it. Tell your friends about it. Go to pureandhealthyhair.net if you have any questions about the system. Google us. Look us up on YouTube.